Hi, this is needlepointers.com with a new project for kids. Do your kids have trouble holding cards when playing card games? They can make a Lego playing card holder. This project was inspired by the website Confidence Meets Parenting, who showed a picture but not how to make it. I decided to show my version on how to make a Lego playing card holder. These are the bricks I used. However, use the Lego bricks you have. You will need 2x2, 2x4, or 2 by whatever length you have bricks. You will need 1x2, 1x4, or whatever length you have bricks. Some 2x4 slope 45-degree bricks, 2 8x16 plates, 2 4x8 plates, and 1 6x6 plate. To start to make a sturdy base, I used 2 8x16 pieces. Attach a 6x6-inch plate to the bottom. So that the base will sit level, I added 4x8-inch plates to each side. On studs 7 and 8, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so it's the last two, begin to build a wall with whatever length bricks you have in any combination that you'd like. And you're going to build the wall 3 bricks high. Now, when you build the second level, it's advisable wherever there is 2 bricks coming together to make sure that you overlap the line so that they'll stay together better. And continue to build until you have 3 rows of bricks. I've finished the 3 rows. Now complete the top of the wall with 2x4 slope 45-degree bricks. On stud number 6, make a single row of 1 by whatever length bricks you have to complete the row, just 1 row high. On studs 4 and 5, we are going to complete a row of bricks that are 2 by whatever length you have, and we're going to do it 2 rows high. Finally, on the first 2 stubs, build a wall that is 2 by whatever length you have bricks, 1 brick high. The Lego playing card holder is complete. Time to play cards. Little hands will have no trouble holding cards anymore. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. You will find links below. Do you want more kids' craft ideas? Our website, needlepointers.com, has a Kids Corner section with lots of free craft projects and tutorials.